Hi friends, today we'll learn the action verbs. Let's start. The doctor is treating the patient. Kids are dancing in the party. The kid is eating healthy fruits. The man is fishing in the ocean. The boy is cycling. The girl is doing homework. The girl is washing the dishes. Kids are using crayons and making drawing. The kid is playing basketball. Stars are shining brightly in the sky. People are enjoying summers in the beach. The baby is sleeping. Girl is saying hello to the teacher. Baby is crying.